Hello and welcome to my video blog. Today I want only show you in this short video that the new version of the Pascal project manager and editor in the version 5.1 is now available, and that supports Delphi 12. And here you can see I have already compiled some programs with Delphi 12, so we find it here in the selection. This program now supports Delphi 12, and I've also make some smaller updates here. For example, when we're going into the EDA manager, you will see there are very much more nicer icons. They are bigger now and clearer and sharp. And also here in the tips and tricks section, the Zin editor has now also a dark background in the dark mode. Yeah, and beside of this, there is also a new or updated plugin for Delphi 11 and Delphi 12 available. I have already started Delphi 12 here, and as you can see, I have also updated the plugin a little bit. It has nicer icons here. Here is the menu where you find information about the program. You can see here it is compiled with Delphi 12 and it's running in Delphi 12. How to install? Simply use the components menu and select packages install. Here you see it is already installed, the Astasoft Pascal Project Manager plugin for Delphi 12. If you haven't installed, so go to your installation folder of the Pascal Project Manager and editor, and there you will find, in this case it is on my developer machine, so there you will find the VPP MD11 or 12 and select the one that fits for your Delphi version you are using, in this case Delphi 12. So, and that's all to install it. And just a short information, I have included here also a workaround. In the previous version it was so, if the tick mark was activated here, close the welcome page after opening a new project. I can simulate it here and show again the welcome page. Then the plugin wasn't visible. Now here is an extra button, so you can recall the plugin and show it again. But I would advise to use the welcome page without this functionality. So you can use it at the same time, the plugin in Delphi 11. For example, here you see that Delphi 11, and if we are looking here into the about information, you can see here also compiled with Delphi 12 and running in Delphi 11. So this plugin knows then where it is running and makes relevant decisions when it shows you some information. For example, when we have in Delphi 11 a project selected that was already compiled with a newer version, we'll find here the red alert information, and when you click you get the information warning the project was created with a newer version of Delphi. Only open this project if there are no newer properties or components there, which also supports the Delphi version you are currently using. Otherwise there's a risk that properties will be lost. So that's the warning here when you're working with an older version of Delphi and have a newer project. And the opposite is here in Delphi 12. If we have an older version, you have an orange warning symbol that says warning the project was created using an older version of Delphi. Before opening the project, make sure that in your current Delphi all necessary components required by this project are installed, so that avoids that you have all this message around that some properties and components are not found. If you have already used this with Delphi 12, you have no warning signs, all is fine. So that's an additional little nice support to help you to make not the wrong decisions. I want to add that the plugin supports a language in German and English. You can change it here in the settings, and also if you want to use a dark design or a normal design. And I want also to mention, if you have here, for example, in the list these older versions, if you use a double click it will open the project in Delphi 12, but you can also right click and then you can also select to start this project in Delphi 11 from this point. Yeah, that's all. You can use it for free, and additionally I have also packed the two package files and the plugin itself into extra zip file, so that is also, that contains the plugin and the two packages and a little readme for explanation. You can download it also from my dev page. You find in the description of this video a link to it. It's only less than 2 megabytes, so if you want to use it, you can use it without the Pascal project manager and editor, the big project. So yeah, if it would be helpful for you, so have fun with this. That was all for today. Bye bye.